Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Consulat Executive Leather Office Chair. Features. The Consulat Executive Leather Office Chair features a premium overlay upholstery design for an executive look. Deep cushioned panel-stitched seat and backrest with ergonomic lumbar sculpture supports you as you sit, and the angled headrest area offers support to the head and neck. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and help improve circulation. The knee tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Pull the lever up to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push the lever down again to lock the chair into the required position. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. By lifting the right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. This chair is supplied with curved design chrome armrests topped with cushioned arm pads for comfort. The Consulat is set on a stylish chrome 5-star base fitted with durable twin-wheel casters and is faced in black soft-touch bonded leather and is fully upholstered for a professional finish. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 levels 0, 1 and 5 and fabrics to EN 1021 parts 1 and 2. The Consulat comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.